Hi, I'm Kai Cox, and I'm here to share with you about my upcoming workshop that is following your inner compass, honing your intuition, and connecting to your Clair senses. So, this workshop is all about reconnecting or expanding on your intuitive connection. It really is for anyone. Whether you've never even heard the word intuition before, but you're feeling open and spacious about this could be fun in my life, or maybe you're practicing intuitive and you're ready to expand even more, shed even more light on parts of you. This is for you because we're always in a journey with intuition. We're always becoming more expanded in light and shedding more light on the shadow parts of our existence. We are here to realize we are always 100% connected. And that may show up in different ways throughout our day or from day to day. So, in this workshop, we are going to really hone in on intuition. What does it mean for you? What are limits you're currently placing for yourself? How can we become even more intuitive? And then we're going to connect into our clear senses. So, as a spiritual intuitive, I find that the clear senses help us really connect in to those messages we're already getting. Now, oftentimes when people think of the clear senses, they think of clairvoyant, right? I can see, or clairaudient, I can hear. Those are awesome clear senses. Personally, I believe we have 8 clear senses. So come to this workshop, find out what they are, find out what they mean to you. Because just like muscles and going to a physical gym where you work those muscles and you get stronger, these clear senses I see as our spiritual muscles, the way we connect in, the way we be one with the universe and follow that inner guidance. And you're going to explore maybe those clairaudience and clairvoyance are your strongest muscles. Maybe they're not. One of the greatest lessons I saw through my mom was she always wanted to hear from her spirit team, and she wasn't necessarily honoring the messages in her body. So, yes, we get sensations in our body, and it is communication with our spirit team. And it was so eye opening for her to have that moment, that shift into, oh, all these clear senses are equal. And all these clear senses can be honed and practiced and be used in our day to day life. So, I'm so grateful for my mom because she set me out on this path. She was the first person to help me realize, oh, I want to bring more self awareness and help me find the right class. And she was the first person that helped me find one of my great intuitive mentors and just got the ball rolling. And from all of life, she was helping me. And now I've taken what I've learned over this time as a spiritual intuitive and made it into this beautiful workshop where we can come together and simply be who we are and expand on our own connection. So, if this speaks to you, I invite you to sign up or host your own class because we truly all are intuitive, and it's time to really honor that, hone that, and follow that inner compass. Because when we're doing it and we know that I'm following my greatest level of excitement, life just feels like that deep breath. Life feels exciting. Life feels purposeful. You never, or you don't have to feel alone because you know you're being guided by something. So, if you're ready to hone your intuition, if you're ready to embark on this journey of following that inner compass, I invite you. Let's do this together. Let's realize how magical we are, how intuitive we are, and how we're always receiving messages. And it's our choice to act on those. So, are you going to act on that excitement? I hope so. And I'll see you there.